Adolf Hitler's speech at the Krupp Factory, 1935. In 1935, Adolf Hitler delivered a speech at the Krupp Factory in Essen, Germany, one of the country's most important industrial sites. This speech came during a time of significant political, social, and economic upheaval in Germany. Hitler's address to the industrial magnates of Krupp highlighted both the expansionist ambitions of the Nazi regime and its focus on militarization, as well as the forging of closer ties between the state and powerful industrial conglomerates. The Krupp family had been instrumental in Germany's industrial development, particularly in the armaments sector, and Hitler's speech to them underscored the importance of their contributions to the Nazi regime's war machine. This article will analyze the context, content, and implications of Hitler's 1935 Krupp speech, as well as its broader significance within the framework of Nazi economic and foreign policy. The context of Hitler's 1935 Krupp speech. In 1935, Hitler had already consolidated his power within Germany. The Treaty of Versailles, which had imposed harsh penalties on Germany after World War I, had been effectively disregarded by the regime. Under the leadership of Hitler, the Nazi government had set its sights on rebuilding Germany's military strength and reclaiming lost territories. The Krupp family was a symbol of Germany's industrial might. Founded in 1811 by Friedrich Krupp, the company had become a dominant force in the production of steel and armaments. By the time of Hitler's rise to power, the Krupp company was central to the production of artillery and other weapons crucial to Nazi Germany's military ambitions. In this context, the Krupp speech must be seen as part of the broader Nazi strategy to unite industrialists, the military, and the state. Hitler's alliance with powerful industrial families like the Krupps was crucial for the realization of his vision for Germany. The industrialists provided the necessary resources to fuel the war machine, while Hitler's propaganda promised a return to national greatness and pride. Key themes in Hitler's Krupp speech. 1. The rebirth of the German military. Hitler's speech at Krupp emphasized the military build-up that was already underway in Germany. In violation of the Treaty of Versailles, Germany had begun to rearm and modernize its military forces. The speech marked a key moment in this process, as Hitler explicitly linked industrial strength to military power. He described the creation of a new German army as a vital step toward reclaiming Germany's former glory.